Good morning, this is Vance, and this is Tuesday, August the 19th, 2014, and this is the pre-market for the slow hand method for price action. Overnight, I've switched over to the October contract, and things about the October contract versus the September contract is the prices have been lower on the October contract. In fact, the overnight high on this contract was 93.85. The low is 94.37, right down here. So, pardon me, 9. The high was 94.37. The low is 93.85. So the 93.85 low happened right down here. High over 94.37 happened right here. So pretty tight range. It looks like maybe it's down. Now, what accounts for the difference in price? When you think about the price of the September contract was trading upwards and around the $97 mark yesterday. 96 got as high as the overnight high for that contract is higher. It's because of settlement. Because in the short term, the idea is that prices are going to be volatile, maybe are that much higher. There's that much of a spread because of immediate tensions, perhaps, and that going forward by the end of October, when these other contracts when this other oil is delivered, things are perceived to be ease somewhat, so the price is maybe more in line with the $94 to $93 mark. It's just a theory. The point is that yesterday, when you look at the price action in the short term on this particular contract, it was trended down most of the day. Toward the end of the afternoon, we developed a kind of a reasonably tight trading range, and now in the overnight, we've traded up a bit, but the range right now is fairly tight. I mean, the difference between 93.85 and or 94.37 and 93.85 is just a 52 tick range, so it's a pretty narrow range. Now, what do we expect today? Well, I would think that pricing, when it comes back down to this area where the blue line, when it comes back to the overnight low, that's maybe an area. Whether or not it can hold and it moves down to what yesterday's low was, which was below about 93.50 area, somewhere in that neighborhood, something to consider. But we've moved up unbrokenly. We've had the high, we've had this first pullback, we've had the second pullback, and if we look at support being right across here, you see that even the most recent time, it seems that price can't get down or stay near the 93, just below the $94 mark currently. But now we'll wait for the open. We're 20 minutes away from the open, pit open at 9 a.m. And so we'll wait and see how that. I'm going to wait and see how the prices transpire at that point in time. Split contract was yesterday as well. I mean, I traded the September contract yesterday, but it was really about 50-50 split. This morning, in the early morning trading, right now is about the volume is over almost 23,000 in the October, only just under 7,000 at 6,700 on the September contract. So obviously the October contract has overtaken as far as volume is concerned. So that's why it's a switch to the October contract. But it doesn't respond the same. It's price action. We'll take a look at how things transpire today, and a couple things. We have the FOMC minutes tomorrow. We also have the DOE report tomorrow, and that's pretty much it. So we're going to take a look at how things respond to this upper level. It looks like there's shaping up to be a relatively tight trading range here, but we had this resistance down this level right here just a few minutes ago. Price doesn't seem to be able to stay down, so that might bode well. But you're looking at a real trading range at this point in time of roughly 15 ticks. So if you're looking to be a buyer in this marketplace because you think prices are going to retest this high right here, then you're having to put a limit order somewhere down this neighborhood right here. If, on the other hand, you think that price is going to continue to fail, you'd want to take a look at selling as price approaches this area, depending on how the price action works. But as I said, we're 20 minutes away from the open, and we'll have to take a look at how things transpire. Well, that's it for now. If you have any questions, please let me know. Hope you have a good day. This is Vance. Bye for now.